Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and the NASDAQ has hit record highs today on a judge's ruling. As you can see, we're starting to take a look at the NASDAQ right now, and it hit a high of 7,748.96 early in trading today. Currently trading at 7,729.50 with a chart analysis score of plus 100, and our key level to watch is 7,334.62. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. And of course, this move higher comes with the likes of Netflix and Time Warner having big days today, as well as Disney and some other components of the NASDAQ. And this is all due to a federal judge approving the blockbuster merger between AT&T and Time Warner on Tuesday, essentially blocking the government's effort to stop the $85.4 billion deal. And this decision could unleash a wave of corporate takeovers in the media industry, so it'll be interesting to watch to see how this plays out moving down the road. But again, the NASDAQ is trading at all-time highs today. We'll back this out, and we'll actually take a look at the S&P 500. Conversely, on the other side, the Dow and the S&P 500 are a little unchanged today, as traders are awaiting the Federal Reserve decision on whether they're going to increase the rate hikes or not. That decision comes at 2 p.m. today, so keep an eye out for that. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading relatively unchanged at 2,787.48 with a chart analysis score plus 60, indicating that overall we still are in a sidelines position for the S&P 500, waiting on that green monthly trade triangle to trigger. However, right now our key level to watch is 2,801.90. A move above that level would issue that monthly trade triangle, indicating a long position for the S&P 500. Moving along to the Dow Jones, currently trading at 25,314.38, relatively unchanged on the day, much like the S&P 500 with a chart analysis score plus 60, indicating again that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 25,449.15. A move above that level would issue a green monthly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. We had the NASDAQ that we already took a look at right here. Let's take a look at the dollar index. Currently trading at 93.21, down about 0.2% on the day, waiting that Fed decision with a chart analysis score plus 70. So overall, the long-term trend is still up for the US dollar. However, it is coming under some recent weakness. Key level to watch would be 92.76. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to gold, issued that red daily trade triangle today at 1,296.30 that I gave you earlier in the week. Currently trading at 1,302, up a little over 0.1% on the day. But we did get that red daily trade triangle today, pushing the chart analysis score to negative 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down for gold and looking forward to head lower. Key level to watch should be 1,307. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for a short-term time frame for gold. Moving along to crude oil, currently trading at 66.57 with a chart analysis score of plus 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for crude oil. And in fact, you can see as of the last week and a half, it dipped below the 50-day moving average and is trapped in this trading range between the 200-day and the 50-day moving average. Key level for crude oil will be 64.85. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating an entry into a short-term short position for crude oil. However, keep in mind that the long-term trend, the monthly trade triangle, is still up. So overall, the long-term trend is still up for crude oil. And we'll get out of here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin, who today, as you can see here, issued a new red monthly trade triangle that we talked about on Monday. As you can see here, we got the monthly trade triangle at 6,443.17. Currently trading down about 4.3% on the day with a chart analysis score negative 100, indicating that we are looking for Bitcoin to head lower. In fact, I'd keep an eye right here on the February lows of 6,194.46. A move below that level could easily push Bitcoin down below $6,000. a coin. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that level of 6,194.46. Your key level to watch should be 8,594.57. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating an exit from a short position for Bitcoin. So it'll be interesting to see. Matter of fact, I'll give you a better analysis of Bitcoin as we wrap up the week and give you some target levels to watch for that to the downside. So with that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back to wrap up the week on Friday.